In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a good PPT in PowerPoint 2025, step by step. Start by opening your web browser and searching for PowerPoint. Head to the official site and sign in with your account so your work stays synced across devices. On the home page, choose Create Blank Presentation. This opens the editor with your slide in the center and all your tools up on the ribbon. Let's set a clean foundation with the background. Right-click anywhere on the slide background to open the background formatting panel. Expand the solid fill option using the small arrow, then pick a color that fits your topic and brand. You'll see the slide update immediately. Aim for strong contrast between background and text so everything stays readable on screens and projectors. Now bring in a visual. Go to Insert, select Pictures, then choose this device to browse your computer. Pick an image from your gallery and open it. Resize by dragging the corner handles and hold shift while dragging to keep the proportions consistent. Position the image so it supports your message without competing with your text. Think of it as an accent, not the star. If design suggestions appear on the right, scroll through them to explore balanced layouts tailored to your content. When you find one you like, click to apply it. This gives you professional spacing, alignment, and style in a single step while keeping everything editable. Add your title next. Click the title placeholder, type your headline, then select the text. From the font menu, choose a clean, legible typeface that matches your tone. Use the font size dropdown to make it stand out without overwhelming the slide, and adjust the font color so it contrasts well with the background. Consistency is key here. Limit yourself to 1 or 2 fonts and keep sizes aligned with a visual hierarchy. When you're ready to build out the deck, go to Insert and click New Slide. This gives you a fresh canvas for your second page. From here, insert exactly what you need. A text box for key points, a table for data, more pictures, a cameo for your camera feed, video or audio clips, shapes for emphasis, stock images and icons for quick visuals, smart art for process diagrams, or a chart to present numbers clearly. Click the item you want, then place and format it so everything feels cohesive. Finally, add a bit of polish with transitions. Open the Transitions tab and browse the options. Then select one that matches your presentation's tone. Subtle transitions usually look the most professional and keep attention on your content. Follow these steps, and you'll have a clean, modern PowerPoint in 2025 that looks great and communicates clearly.